guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can recreate Taylor Swift's green folklore dress on Dress to Impress. I did use Summer Books item, but you don't need it that much if you don't have it. And I know the green isn't the most perfect green. It's not probably the same, but I did try to color match everything. So let's get started with the video. I just layered a lot of items, but use this hair first in this color BD9377 and use this in the same color. I just scaled it to 0.45 and moved it down a bit to position the Y to 0.48. Again, I also used some VIP items, so I'm just going to go here, go to the Valentine's section and select this, and I'm just going to color everything 9CA258, so make sure you save that. And then I'm just going to get this top now in that same color. I think I'm just going to leave the texture on. I did have it on matte, but it's up to you. Grab this without the details and color it the same as well. And then I use this skirt too, and then this Robux item skirt, but you don't really need it. And the only train toggle, I think I did matte on it as well. Then I used the Ella skirt. Where is it? Hold on. This one in the long toggle with no ribbons in green. And then I also used this top here in just the third toggle. I think I did matte on this one for both. And then what else did I use from here? I used this skirt in the only skirt toggle. I think I did no layers, and I think I did matte on it too. I don't think I used, if you don't have like the Robux item, you can use just this one, but it does like cover the illusion that this area is like transparent, so I am not going to use this one. Instead, I am going to use this Robux item. If you don't have it, that's totally fine. Color the first and second toggle the same color. We don't need to color that area. And then I'm just going to use this skirt in that same color in matte. And then I think I am going to make all the like flowers matte to like blend it more with the outfit here. This too. I'm just trying to make everything matte, even though I can't with the flowers, which is fine. What else did I layer? I layered on quite a few things. I also used this too, the third toggle in the same color in matte. And like that same green, I'm just going to also add this in just the second toggle. If you have this Robux item, you can add it. If you don't need to. And opaque in that same green color as well. And then I did use a cape here in that same color too. And I think that is pretty much it really. That's all I added. You can layer on more items if you'd like, but I'm just going to stop here. Should I add this? I'm just going to add this for more layer. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you find this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.